thing. I don't think America around this a play thing. Where boss are doing TikTok about his show?
3 hours on the stage, and him not sleeping, him wake up already. What you said?
You want never do 4.
Yeah.
My police them said them not give me no more.
Skatta Burrell are the first person in a 2025 to get a suck your mother.
Yam, the batty boy, them have a big man out of the turn up. And them man a legend youth. Big man of your weight. I run up and down, I run back again.
Tell the people them out at airport. I better build some more runway.
Wait for Vybz Kartel reaction when Popcaan said this.
Yo, Skatta, suck your mother, youth. If I never caught you, we got me out. When I could have me a chronic out, I do it to Chihuahua. And when I could have one down the native them. Don't do that to me, youth. 3 hours out of front. Comedian thing. I don't think America around this a play thing. Where boss are doing TikTok about his show? Man, I need TikTok everywhere in show. The man don't need TikTok everywhere in show. What the man are doing TikTok about his show? Playing business. Play all the ramping thing. You know, think a ramping shop. Where man are doing TikTok about show? I'm just staying on the lane and bill, man. If you not come and show, no come and show. I'm holding a position. I even feel like run up our stage and run up our stage. But why man that book on the people show for? Eh? You know much top people that get ticket, both on our backward, both on our ticket. But it's not easy though. If you stay on the lane sometime and I go over edge too much, I want to do so. So when you come for TikTok, I want to click on the live, when you have 6,000 views and 10,000 views on the face on a star. And also stardom ship come. Because I know we don't work for no name yet, you know.
I don't see it, man. I'm not telling you, man. Be a legend, you know, I grew them this, you know. Remember me telling us, boy, I have a hide when he grew them about, you know. Now, remember, you know, that. I see him surprised, you know, me go with him, because I know where he going, you know, make Wolf a surprise, you know. Make Wolf a surprise. Remember, we know where he go. Make Wolf a surprise. Make Wolf feel like shit, but we know where he go already, grow, and I know we are dead, don't post the world, boy. Remember, say anything, we say a lot running, and we got my dog one laugh, and him have a great reckoning first night, my brother, shalom. The boy then send me go be a scream record in a try. And my girl feel like say girl no like him again, you know. I love alone my girl, man, you know, man. I just know from bad bush days, you know. Nah, nothing to prove to them, man. I'm every day and I watch them, because them a take down themselves, you know. Nothing can rise up here against the almighty favorite grandpin in them, I'm telling you, you know, fam. And them boy, they not invited. When they really grow then about them boy, they not invited, me can't tell you. Them boy, they can't go around as much as you see them, and then can't come around and go with them. None of them. You hear that? Come around what? World Shalom, they around there, you hear that? None of them, me say. I mean, I have to talk 2 times because they know. Just make them go and talk. I try and know me 32 teeth no reach it. But just there, go and humble myself, you know. We got me grow them, man.
Can you see that show, yeah? I think the venue hold about 50 to 100,000 people. I mean, I tell you,
Mighty and powerful judgment, yeah. Freedom Street was a success, man, you know. Boy, then all the way out the door for 3 hours straight, girl. Yeah, I try lock out the darkness out of the light, you know. I tell you, we go down there, go fuck up down there, and I mean, we go down there, man, and shake. A judgment down at that, man. I tell you, night time, I have to just go on easy, because if me ever walk me fire touch, I just love me, I have to go get. I tell you, because boy, they have you out the door 3 hours, I go with them. It's some boy, hey, a judgment, when I tell them, we go live, I tell them, because I let them post here and know his story now. We have to tell them his story now. We did it, you know. You know, so how we did it. Enough thing going. Be a shit in a plate business and Skatta going with a bag of shit in a plate business. Me I take him down. And show me the rise up yet. You see it. Anytime I come forward, I may take down. Yeah man, the tired of you, what kind of shit in a plate style that fuck you the youth. You know, so I grew them. From Bumbo Clot, fireworks, fire bro. Fireworks is a signal of a new year. A bus gate, we bus after that. I want to know. I don't know a culture this. From fireworks, bus half and everybody feel good. Oh, you go catering up again. Eh? And we just celebrate New Year and you go catering again. And what kind of slavery Bumbo Clot mentality and the boy show them. And dash a fire upon the Bumbo Clot. We tell Quadash get up. I show me there humble myself. From why them have a big man out of the turn up and them man a legend youth. Big man a fear wait. I run up and down, I run back a gate. One woman them barricade down one gate and I lock in another gate and the big man and I say, for your car the big man. No much big man, at least some little shit in a plate. Police I look on the big man for the letting the big man a event. My lad. They have a big man out there with much people for 3 hours, my lad. Like you know no respect for Bumbo Clot culture and for music, my lad. You know have a big man. If you are gonna have me, Popcaan and blood clad labas, we don't say nothing about that. Yeah, car we are ruling. But you have a big Bumbo Clot legend, Batty boy. Out there turn up in the Nigeria fam. A big man out there turn up in the Nigeria fam. A big man out there. A big man out there. Through money fam. I want to know Batty boy. You know we tell Bumbo Clot Shalom Quadash rise up. I show me I easy myself. You can't do it. I want to do youth. A culture we are the youth in the youth. And I have a big man out there fam. A big man out there, young me see me say big man turn up, the man tie down. Umbe, you not gonna move with them pussy all day. You not gonna move with them play style of youth. I'm only you not run down. For the Bumbo Clot fireworks bust me I think so now go bust the gate fam. Cause no dust free up the people and we celebrate and I bring in the new year. You can't back the people in depression again. Lock up again. I want to know pussy all them style like come down from around me, I tell you no. I tell you now, that's why you get this on stage. Cause enough veteran out there, this, you know, I'll ching them out there, what a man you lock gate pan fam. Lock gate pan the little boy, them, you understand that. But you have a big man them out there fam. And we can't left for people them. You want, you 10 man but if we go in and go show a present and left for people them. If we left for people them, we come with, what kind of pussy style that? I want them to know fam. If we left for people them, we can't find the yard.
I want no things man been through, but we never talk it. But we never see the darkness. Yeah. No me no night.
Come we are gonna left them out a door in a Bumbo Clot night too. How we left the people them, and that's all in the youth. And when I say me go show, I mean the lucky say I go I concept I show. Cause even though I mean you're a lucky youth. I tell you, you're a lucky youth, because you never know how no Bumbo Clot, you know shit in a plate in a man. You think you know nobody in our culture, you know shit in a plate, you feel like you know money can't save in a fam. Once you feel like you know Bumbo Clot, money can't save, there's a transmission boss have to go baptize and missing out of this Bumbo Clot. Yeah. Hey, Skatta is yourself, you know, because you come like you pump too much steroids up on the hill, you know. Because you spring from Bumbo Clot stage, like you spring chicken and chuck off a man, like you a batty man. What kind of style them they will not keep up in the dancehall, you know, all in the composure in the pussy. I feel like when the money can't save no batty man, no lights to go down half on the waist can't save no fam. When judgment they pound head. You spring like you pump too much steroids up there. You spring, me see a spring over me. A spring I took off I grow. I want to hear youth. You turn your feelings youth if any of your catches youth. Turn your feelings youth. Turn your feelings youth and make it sure run smooth. Out of everybody, me thinks I want shit in a plate and go fuck up with you. A spring chicken. You have pumped too much steroids and higher up this youth. Come down a little bit. Come down. Underneath you come down a little bit. Come down, I can't like get on food to pussy clad. You want to lock out, man, have we out a gate, bro? We can't live for people, bro. You know dancehall, that's a dancehall run. You know that a long time only in music and promoting. How much party you keep in a promoter? How you feel lock out, man, entourage? a spring like a spring chicken. A spring, me see a spring pass. All the locks, man, I'll kick out your locks and kick in your face because you turn big fool on stage. On the lucky youth. And the internet attack one bag of bullshit on the top crap, man. Because remember say go there, you know. Remember say me there right backstage and remember say me can't tell lies to nobody. Not just one bag of fuck you after now fuck up your man. One fuck up your man show. I'm not come attack one bag of fuckery. Happy you fuck with the youth. Come in the way, me no first me see that, me no know say that can happen. Him man a spring you pump too much steroids, my lad. Come down, me I tell you. Stop pump the way, cause they high on the way I pump you up. Cause me no know, me never know somebody that me say me might spring to pussy clot to that.
A mother would tell Skatta publicly to the world and about his mother. Me think so we not support that. No matter how much you believe that a person has any right because people were blocking his entrance or whatever, brethren. Me think they should never ever get to a point where artists that tell promoters go S them mother. And do not just take Skatta for granted and draw them. And trust me, you don't know me not beg to go up on stage shows and I think that this is me. I try to get my some fest. Because me not even want to work at Jamaica. Me turn down shows in Jamaica. You see? So please, it's not just a reasoning about some things that could have been left alone based on it overshadowing what this great achievement was. Because we're supposed to get up to there and say, oh, Kartel rammed the stadium, and that was it. That is supposed to be it. We're supposed to talk about Kartel achievement. We're here today talking about Popcaan and Skatta and Joe. What Popcaan did, you see? And Popcaan as an elder for Chronic Law, he set a precedent, for Chronic Law to follow. You see? Even though I'm one of them one big man in the, but of course, come on Popcaan, you have to do this too long now, brother. You have to let go some of them energy that you would. Yeah, man. You have, I understand so you get away with it all the time because the people them love you. The people them love your youth because there's good in you. But you have to let go some of them energy that general. And again, this is going to fall upon deaf ears, but a reason though. You have to let go some of them energy there, brother. Going on stage in front of 30,000-40,000 people at this Skatta got SC mother. That's not right, brethren. That's not right. And Chronic Law, I think it's a lead to, white boy and dreadlocks and dread boy. I think it. I understand so on a rude.
Me nah go back in the 2024. Me say, got that talk to you, devil by road. I say, when you see the lad who left him alone, you.
I have to go with them. See our youth.
Fuck your mother, youth. If I never caught you, I'm going to yard. When I could have me a Chronic Law out the door for 3 hours. I want to could have one on the native then. Don't do that to youth. You want to have you out the front. It's a lifestyle moment regardless. Because the world boss. The girl is there when they just say, oh yoy. Yeah. Anybody can do that. Top girl want to give me the contact.
Better be wise, no fuck up the vibes. The girl let me read me Juna English revise. The killer me beat and then me trust and revive. Papi, how you feeling? Me feeling.
Oh, I know say it's easy for some man make certain utterance and get out it. And me as an individual, I normally pay them things in my mind. A man can tell me something my mother a million times. I'm overlooking. Because he's a man slow to rot. See? However, on this occasion, I and my mother in the hospital. I've been in the hospital for a while. And I'm now going to take it up on him head to come tell me you suck my mother in a public space with thousands of people. scared say it can just get thrown under the rug because me is a promoter and me have a lot more followers than them. Enough time artists go on stage and diss up the promoter and diss up certain people because they know say the promoter keep peace because I feel them event and them have everything for lose. And I was faced with that situation first time. Big Freedom Street concert, Kartel's return. You see me? And when I see that individual make that statement loud and proud, it put me in a dilemma right there, so. Because how me I go address this now? How me I go address this without mashing up the show? However, he's a man, blood run through my veins, see? I'm not to deal with things. Man diss me publicly, I drag him under the stage and disrespect him back privately.
Boy, and unruly, you see, and people love it, and like people, and people love that, because Jamaican people, you know, as much as you see Jamaican people, I say they're afraid of crime, afraid of violence, you know, they love it, you know, because Jamaican people love you when a man say, you know, like people, you know. Yeah, man, get forward for that, I see it true. Yeah, man, just do a song say, you know, like people, and I be forward you get, and you know, but context matters, though. So I think that was very unfortunate that it has spilled over now to Skatta put forward a statement and Skatta say drag man under stage and man could have dirt man under the stage. A serious start them kind of people. But I know everybody accept as your mother. The way how people will say it among each other accept it. It's just like a European or anybody at all. I try call me the N-word in a derogatory manner. Me I go feel offended. You understand me? I say, yo, how you do? You see? So me think say it's very unfortunate say I say we there. And it totally it's a Popcaan did really rate Kartel. In my view, he may not make it slide. You get on the stage, yo boss, you know they how long them hold me pot, but you will come here for boom, shot some tune, blah blah blah. Next day you come on social media, if you talk anything you want to talk, Skatta you out there, blah blah blah. But go in front of 30,000, 40,000 people, go shout it out them way there. Things that could have lead to something more dangerous. Cause ego now, I go take charge. And Skatta no want to feel like say that little youth you know are the some of them fans are here fans too in a Popcaan. Remember saying no, it's a carryover from Kartel fans them to your fans in a bro. So them people that will come, you think say everybody in the audience did feel good when you're on the stage at about your mother and them something there. No brother, me no think so bro. I mean think so last night was a celebration for people who believe the Kartel was robbed of 13 years. Because people believe that, and I can't argue with people from believing that because I hear belief. People came out from all over the world, private jets line up on airport, people can't get tickets. Airport, people can't get tickets. Airport. Yeah, it was a celebration of freedom, brethren. You can't do that. I mean, I understand how people even try to justify. Yeah, man, how you mean? The man to stand up for himself and yeah, man, how you mean? Skatta them forget this. No, dread. No. Somebody at time now for to tell Popcaan, say Popcaan, calm down. At time for to tell him, you know. They do it to the police then. him do it with too many remember say we burn out the police them when Popcaan do this, you know. Remember say we burn out the police them when Popcaan do this and blame the police them, you know. When Popcaan diss the police them, you know, and we hear it by open mic with him diss the police them, you know, and we justify it. Skatta and Joe and the police the same thing. So if this keep happening, right? It must be something where we know have to say, Popcaan, calm down. Yeah, Popcaan, you have to calm down, youth. People love your youth. People love your youth, but you have to calm down, brother. And the people out here are justify them behavior. It will get to a point one time where they might go say, yo, something terrible happened. I'm going to take on back to something that happened earlier or the other day. With a same as your mother suck me up. Because the TikTok of them, yeah? It's normal for them to get up and cuss each other and tell each other about them mama and all of them things there. And some of them do it, some of them not do it. But it's like a normal thing now for the one them where they on the internet as the TikTokers them from Jamaica. Them cuss each other, them call each other, name them all manner of things. It's your mother, nyam out your mother, and all people who say them in a relationship. I tell you, I'm going to take on back to somewhere where when me no agree, but me I tell you, say, because we not try justify it, you know. We not try justify it, but me I tell you how things can get out of hand. The situation with Romish and the youth the other day, TJ the other day. One of them know say, I see him, your mother started the whole thing. No, them say somebody from our Romish part tell TJ I say him about him mother and him tell them back. We never did it, but we cause it. It's your mother and West one now. Maybe you know a man really said from over which part Romish, you know, but maybe Romish never hear. And two Romish go here when TJ go look back over there now and say, who go S no mother. And so now Romish I say, yo, somebody can't go lick him in the mouth. I
play a fist fight like Lennox Lewis now my I circle them and spam by red like is a damn stoplight.
See him so a man last night, you know, where your Popcaan I say, Skatta S your mother. A man could have said that, you know, say, yo, Skatta could have said that, you know, I say, yo, a man can't go lick Popcaan in the mouth. And a man run go up there where he goes a yes man, fool. Like the policeman run go beat up the youth. Run go up there, because I'm real Skatta and go thump him in the mouth. And people that say, yo, a Skatta make him thump him in the mouth. But everybody accept that it's your mother the virgin. Yeah, and it we have to be very careful. Because Skatta say mother in the hospital and him hear mother tell him about his mother, it kinda set off a little vibe. So I could do better at virgin. I could do better virgin. But all in all, if we can look past that time we can speak positive energy into it and make Skatta and Popcaan know so them to calm down. Because this threat where they must send each other back and forth, who it help? We not go back and forth now and send threat to each other. Calm down, man. Yeah. And Skatta I'm a general. Yeah. Popcaan no rate. But gonna calm down, man. Calm down, Bridge. It's too early in the year for this, Bridge. It's too early in the year for this, man. It's too early in the year for this. See, the show sell off. Yeah. Account Skatta for your code count. Life FF say me no rate the man. You want me rate? When do? And that's the problem in life FF, whatever your name, you know. You say me no rate the man. You know what we Jamaican people? When somebody speak the truth, we no say we're bad mind and we no rate people and we envious and no, brother. You know have to dislike somebody. You know when you speak the truth, bro. You wanna stop blind follow, man. No, you know have a blind follow, bro. me don't think nobody in them right mind could have really accept say, yo, come a Kartel show. Kartel a celebrate freedom and we turn it into that way. Kartel and Skatta now. Skatta have the mic and people are misconstrued that mic situation with Skatta and Kartel because what it seemed to me is Skatta want to take the mic to say something and Kartel stop him from doing it, it seems. So that can be a scenario too, scenario. Instead of we look on it like Kartel should have diss him for a while on the mic. We don't even know. You see what I say? We don't need that people. Some fest come up, I'm sure say Joe and Skatta them I go book Kartel for some fest. So and it's gonna be great. People are gonna turn out for see Kartel again, and maybe if somebody pinch him and tell him say, yo, stop the drinking and the smoking and rest. Make your voice come back. Yeah? Make your voice come back. I'm sure say people will come out and have a good time. So you don't have to things that me not like the artist, I mean I rate the artist because I go talk the truth. The problem is you can't talk the truth because he's a blind follower. And we don't stand for that. We are dealing with positivity for 2025. We are dealing with life. We don't want nothing to Popcaan, we don't want nothing to Skatta. But life we are dealing with 2025. We not with life we are say. Anybody we not dealing with life in 2025, no, I know you will work with. We not work with you in a year. No.
Come like on a car, bumper to bumper. Come and turn half a cheap. The hotel them book out already. Don't tell me no, Vybz Kartel is more than what you think.
How now work with that? Life we're dealing 2025. Boy, you're rough like we talk about. I'm running with us. 2025 and we're alive. This will be the year for you and I. We're just standing by. Yes, we will survive. 2025 and we're alive. So what bad times, Francis, Lances, well done, bad mind, red line. Here's the way I say, yeah man, that song you put life over you. This is a song you have in your playlist. And play it in your house at morning time, and play it in your house at evening time. Play it when you're going in, and play it when you're coming out. Make certain say as me upload it to Spotify, you get your copy. You understand me? I say, yeah man, this is a song you put life, yeah, over dirt things. Yeah, life over dirt things. We don't want nothing happen to none of them man them. We don't want nothing happen to Skatta. We don't want nothing happen to Popcaan. We don't want nothing happen to Kartel. We don't want nothing happen to none of them. Yeah. Life for 2025. What's so hard in that? Some wanna just support bad behavior because we don't want the man they really want, you know. Some wanna come and say, yeah man, Popcaan are the right thing to do, you know. So enough I wanna see Popcaan get dirt too, you know. And they don't have something there on the internet to chat about, you know. Because one of those things that we don't need.
And him not sleeping, him wake up already. What you said? You want never do before. Yeah. My police them say them not do me no more. But you know next year we are up on the road to a tour.
You see it?
One Ricky Platinum, but a twice Palmer.
Yeah.
One on one.
You see me? And one MC nothing.
Yo. Yeah man.
And run for the state of fuck.
I mean, that's the bad update.
Them chaotic situation if you complete on a day, brethren. We can have a nice year with some good vibe and some good food and a nice. Yo, come on man, come on brethren, come on.
Me nah go back in the 2024, me say, got that talk to you, never on the road, I say, when you see the lad who left him